Welcome back to Quiz Core. Think you know the human body? Look at the image and guess the right body part. Each question gets trickier. Can you score a perfect 40? Let's begin the challenge. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Core channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's go! What body part are you looking at here? That's right, those are the lungs. Can you name this organ just by looking at it? You nailed it, that's the femur bone. Take a close look. Which body part is this? Yup, that's the intestine you're looking at. Match this image to the correct body part. Correct, it's the human heart. Which internal organ is shown here? Spot on, that's the eye. Zoom in. What bone is in this picture? Bullseye, that's the cerebellum. What part of your body are you seeing now? You got it, it's the tongue. Think fast, which organ is this? Right again, that's the trachea. Can you identify this structure? That's a rib, well identified. This image belongs to which system? Yes, that's the ear. Which of these parts are you looking at? Good job, that joint is the knee. What human feature is shown in the image? Stomach is the correct answer. This organ plays a big role. Can you name it? That's the thyroid gland. Well done. What part of the skeleton is this? Right, it's the spine. This organ helps filter. What is it? Correct, that's a kidney. Which part of your head is this exactly? You're absolutely right, that's the brain. Which part of the eye focuses light onto the retina? Lens. What joint are you seeing now? That's the humerus bone from the arm. What part helps you stay balanced? It belongs to the nervous system. Nice work. What part of the eye are we seeing? Correct again. That's the tongue. Cold guess, what's this structure? Yup, that's the rib protecting your chest. What connects to this part? That's the bladder. Nailed it. Snapshot quiz. What are you seeing? The memory center, hippocampus, is right. Can you name this accurately? That's the tibia. Strong choice. Quick, what brain part is this? You guessed it, that's the nose. What organ does this tool-like shape belong to? Exactly, the liver helps detoxify your blood. What part manages this function? Right again, those are the lungs. What internal machine is this? That's the heart working to pump blood. You've seen this in science class. What is it? That's the biceps. Perfect answer. Frozen frame, can you name it? You got it, those are lips. What system does this part belong to? That's the spine, part of your nervous system. What are you looking at right now? The tiny bone is called the stapes, correct. Microscope mode, which part is this? That belongs to the endocrine system. A doctor would know this, do you? Spot on, that's the occipital lobe for vision. Body alert, identify this part. It's the pupil that controls light entry. Point to the correct answer. What is this? Yes, muscles are connected by tendons. It plays a healing role. What is it? You're right, the pancreas produces insulin. This is a building block of your body. Name it. That's a phalange, part of your finger. Guess this vital part in 3 seconds. That organ stores bile. It's the gallbladder. Final challenge. Can you name this tricky part? That's a nerve ending. Perfect answer. Choose your next challenge and hit that like and subscribe button.